Christina and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm with a guest. This is my mom. Say hi. Okay, so in today's video, we are going to be doing a cooking video and we are going to be making a favorite Filipino dish known as
Laing.
yes, and what is the laing?
Gabi leaves. Taro in English.
Okay, so if you guys are interested on what ingredients we are putting in our laing, just keep on watching.
And now for our ingredients. Gabi leaves, dried gabi leaves, and taro in English. A little bit of alamang, salt, black pepper, chilies, whole and chopped, ginger, garlic, and onions. And my liempo. And since it's locked down, I cannot buy fresh gata, so I use this coconut cream, a little bit of magic sarap,
Our main ingredient!
oil, and now we have to start cooking.
We'll be cooking, and the first thing we put in the pan is the oil, and we're just waiting for it to heat up.
The onions. This is the oil and onions. Now I'll put the garlic. And now I have to put the ginger and the chilies.
Smells nice.
The liempo.
Sorry guys, it's a bit windy.
Since we're cooking outside.
Added the pork broth and we'll just let it simmer till tender.
Now we will put the cow.
Now we have added the salt, the pepper, and a bit of alamang. And this is how it looks right now. Yum yum. Meat is all tender. We added all the other ingredients and I will be adding the gata. Ooh, yum.
Now the gata is here. We will wait to boil. And then we will add the dried leaves. The dried gabi leaves.
As I've noticed, our gata is boiling now. We can now add the
Taro leaves.
taro leaves.
Gabi dried leaves.
Yum, sarap.
Now I'm starting to put the gabi leaves. Dried gabi leaves. Ang gabi leaves natin guys, you should check everything. You open everything before cooking. Para make sure na clean siya. Now slowly I'm adding it. Na-check na to guys, na okay na siya. I-press ko lang guys para mabasa siya ng gata. Then I have to cover it again. Okay.
You're now going to open and lift up the cover. Ooh, it looks pretty.
So this is how it looks like. And I have to mix it a little bit. Not allowed to mix anyway. Just touch. Now I have to add a little bit of magic sarap. A little bit.
There we go. Those are the magic syrup. And we leave it there for a few minutes. Now we have removed the cover and this is how it looks. Very yummy, and we're now waiting for it to be fully cooked. With the cover, and this is how it looks. It's finally cooked and wow, it looks so yummy.
And now we're going to plate. Put it in the plate. Plating. Looks yummy and smells good.
Yum yum. Now guys, here is our liempo laing plated. Super nice, looks super delicious, and I hope you guys can smell this all the way there. It just smells wonderful. It's like, I'm in heaven. Whew, so yummy, yummy, yummy. And look at that chili. It's so red, so attractive. Yum. And that is it for this video. And if you guys enjoyed this, please give us a thumbs up. And please don't forget to click the subscribe button to get notified whenever I post or upload a new video. I'll see you guys on my next one. Bye!